Din Sister Annie tgħix is-Sirja u kuljum tara l-gwerra. Hawnhekk Sister Annie qiegħda ma' waħda mill-familji li tgħin. Il-gwerra fis-Sirja daħlet fi 8 sena u sa issa mietu kważi 500,000 persuna. Sister Annie bħalissa tinsab f'Malta biex tqajjem kuxjenza dwar is-sitwazzjoni li għal ħafna qed issir normali u tgħidilna fuq l-eżiż tagħha li rati imutu quddiem għajnejha.
One of my best friends we lost in Aleppo by a rocket fell on his house and it's killed him. Yes, many. We lost a mother with her 2 children, one of our family we helped. We lost 1 child, also one of our family we helped. So we lost many. Just when I close my eyes and I remember my friend with a beautiful smile, or this person was living here and that person, this mother lost the daughter, I go to tears.
Sister Annie qaltilna illi hi stess kemm il-darba ħabtet wiċċha mal-mewt.
Many times we've been escaped from death. 3 weeks ago we had rockets on the roof of the church, but they didn't explode. It scares us. It's not easy to live and continue life. You don't know any time that you will get a shell.
Fit-toroq ta' Damasku u Aleppo fejn il-gwerra hi fost l-aktar qalila, il-ħsejjes tal-isparaturi saru xi ħaġa ta' kuljum. It-tfal tas-Sirja meta jgħidulhom biex ipenġu t-tankijiet tal-gwerra. Imma għax iridu l-paċi.
It's surprising when you see children drawing like all what is in their mind. A tank, guns, people shooting each other. They put a flag of Syria. No for violence, yes for peace. So what it comes from the mouth of the children, this is the reality.
U minkejja li tara l-gwerra kuljum, Sister Annie determinata li tkompli taħdem.
In front of evil you have nothing except that the trust of God. We are putting our lives in God's hands and life must continue in spite of all its difficulties. Life continue, you know. We need to be strong, so we need to be strong so the girls and our people be strong with us, you know.
Fis-Sirja, Sister Annie u sisters oħrajn mis-sisters ta' Ġesu u Marija jaħdmu mhux biss biex jitimgħu u jlibsu lil min m'għandux, iżda biex jgħinu lil komunitajiet jinbnew mill-ġdid. Sister Annie ġiet Malta fuq stedina tal-Aid to the Church in Need. Wara tirritorna fis-Sirja fejn tkompli bil-ħidma tagħha.